should daddy teach you how to use a laptop? Okay? Come on, look. This is the song, and you have to go to the song that was being played before this, right? So this is the cursor, and you touch your finger here, okay, and it moves. Look, and there, this is the back button. You click the back button, and see, the song you want to listen came again. Perfect. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me see. Okay.
What? I want this one.
No, wait. Okay. So this is the video being played now. Okay. Now you go back. Okay. You go back. Come on. You use your finger, John. You use finger. Yes. Take the cursor here on this arrow. On this arrow. This arrow. Come on. Down. Yes. Stop. Okay. Click. You clicked? Oh my god! You know that! You use the laptop! Yes, you're such a clever girl. You can use the laptop now.
Bulletin.
Okay.
Close that door. I didn't know they did that anymore. Who knew we owned 8,000 salad plates? For years I've roamed these empty halls. Why have a ballroom with no walls? Finally they're opening up the gates. There'll be actual real life people. It'll be totally strange. Wow, am I so ready for this change?